Hold on. I can't get the net. Oh, he's just rip and drag, dude. Oh my God. All right, guys, we're getting set up now. It's 7:40, so dusk is coming in about 45 minutes. I'm gonna set up here. Now what I have here is a ton of structure on the bank, a clinch or a pinch point, and also I have some structure underwater I just found right here. I've never seen that before. My hopes is that they're gonna come and travel around this area and find my baits. That's what I'm trying to do here. So hopefully they're moving tonight. I mean, there's some thunderstorms. I mean, it's perfect. So I'm gonna put some big baits out, and hopefully I'm gonna sit here a little while, and hopefully I'm rewarded. We'll see. I got all types of things I can do. So let's get some baits out there and see if we can catch a big old flathead, yellow cat, shovel head, whatever you want to call it, a straight river monster today, and let's get to it. We have some really good current here too, so that should help. I have one special bait. I'm probably gonna just lob him. He's not gonna go far. He's a giant bullhead. Gotta put him out there. I mean, he's ridiculous. If he gets eaten, it's gonna be awesome. But we're just gonna hook him just like that. Look at the size of that bullhead, guys. I mean, that is a monster. I don't even know if you could tell in the camera, but we might even have to hook him a little better than that. Yeah, we're gonna hook him a little bit deeper. Like I said in other videos, I'd like to hook them right behind their head. This one might come unbuttoned if I don't hook them a little better, but I've been saving him for a special occasion, and now's the time. So let's just try to get him out there. He'll probably swim into one of these log jams, but I'll put him right there. Now seriously, if he gets eaten, guys, it's gonna be crazy. But we'll leave him out there, see what happens. Definitely gonna throw one upriver. Just gotta litter the bank with baits and see if we can get a taker. Head, dude. It is. I'm gonna leave it. He's got it in his mouth. Come on, guy. Big bluegill, guys. He's got it. I'm gonna leave it for him. Come on, buddy. We got him. Oh, it's a good one too. Oh, it's a giant. We got him. Oh, it's a good one, dude. You hear that splash? Was that a channel cat, dude? No way is this a channel cat, dude. No, it's a big flathead, dude. Yeah. Oh, he's rip and drag, guys. Oh, that's a good one right there, boys. Oh, man.
I would not be moving.
Hold on. I can't get the net. Oh, he's just rip and drag, dude. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, dude. Can't get the net out. Dude, it's a Polydoctus olivaris. Dude, get in the net. Got him. Flatty in the boat, son. That's a Polydoctus olivaris.
20, 30, what is it?
That's like a 20-something. Yeah, he splashed out there, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Heck yeah. Dude, did you he swallowed it, dude.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, he swallowed it.
He probably had it for a minute, huh?
Yeah, you hit it like a channel cat, guys. Friggin' Polyductus over here. Hold on, I gotta get this out. Yeah, that thing's in its throat, dude.
Just fucking choked it.
Alright, let me... Man, he choked it good, dude. Oh, he's just rolling on my hands, dude.
Fuck, fired up.
Okay.
Where'd he come from?
That right side.
What's over there?
Okay. Wood. He wasn't in the wood, he was on the, it's about 21 pounds.
Still, that's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. What's up, Polyductus? Oh, you're a meanie. Look at that, guys.
Male or female?
This is a male. Here we go. That is a male for sure. Look at that. He is so healthy, dude. Polyductus in this. There we go. We ain't moving yet.
No, I would not be moving. That's 2 bites. I mean, the same side as the one you missed?
The same side, but different rod.
Yeah.
All right.
Time to put something together here.
Okay. All right, no camera failure? Wow. All right, let's get a picture. We got Cody on the phone here.
Polyductus.
We got one. I swallowed about 45 bugs, but it wouldn't be hooked catfish if I didn't. Hopefully we get a bigger one, but here's the first one of the night, guys. About 21. The bugs are eating him. All right, we're gonna let him go. Thank you, buddy. Go tell Mom that I'm out over here waiting for you. Oh, yeah. All right, another bluegillian right here. Oh, I dropped it. Medium action rod. That was fun. He just did the old splash, dude. Make as much noise as you can. That's the first thing you got to do. All right, here we go. Let's put it in the same spot. Right. Yeah. We got him. He ate the bullhead.
Hit him?
Oh, he feels like a big one, dude. Oh, we got a good one, dude. Oh my God. Okay, come on. All right, guys. Number 2 bullhead. We were just talking about this. Hopefully he stays on, because this is a big dog. Yeah. He hasn't splashed. He's just coming up river real easy. Yeah. Oh, he's pulling drag now. Oh yeah, this is a big one. Just pull drag, guys. Come here, buddy. Come on. He's under the boat now. All right, we gotta get, he's under the boat now. All right.
Got one anchor out?
Yeah, hold on. I need complete concentration here. Oh yeah. Oh. Hear that drag? Yeah. Sounds a little rough, guys, but oh, it's on a bullhead. Man, this thing is fighting way too hard to be a small one, dude. Maybe it's just been so long. All right, come here, buddy. Oh, he's another 20, 25.
Still got a good action going.
All right, come here. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, he's barely hooked, dude. I can't get him. Come here. Got him. Bullhead.
See ya?
Traveling. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, that's a good one. That was awesome. That was awesome, dude.
It sounded like
Oh, yeah. Another male.
dude, they got
I had him in the skin part. All right, got it. Sorry, buddy. All right. You're good. That's a good one, dude. He's actually like got a really small mouth, dude. But look how fat you are. Man, I love you guys. Look at the hook holes in him. He's been hooked a couple times. Sorry, bud. I promise you, I will always let you go to get bigger. You got about 15 more years of life in you. All right. So that's number 2. I guess we just need a Cody on the phone. And we needed to be patient. Whew. What a night, dude. I need to call in to work. Good bullhead. All right, let's put this one out there. I had him hooked through the mouth. And the reason for that is because he's in the current.
low pressure, storm front coming. Come on.
All right, guys. Ow, he just poked the hell out of me. Here he goes, another bullhead, guys. And he poked me all over the place right there. I can't see where I'm throwing him, but we're just gonna lob him out there, just like that. All right, here we go. Polyductus olivaris number 2 on a bullhead. Look at the freaking,
I'm so happy I'm saying that right.
look at that thing. Polyductus olivaris, correct me if I'm wrong. The king of the river right here. All right, buddy, you ready to go? Thank you again. Now I know a big one's coming. All right,
You know, there's good ones up
here we
there.
go, buddy. Here we go. Oh my God.
Got him?
Yeah. That one bumped it. Oh my God, he's pulling drag. We got him, we got him. Oh, that one's pulling drag, dude. That was awesome. Oh my God, that was awesome. That's how they're supposed to eat it, guys. Yeah, he smoked it, dude. 5 foot of water. I thought that was a channel cat. Oh, it might be a channel. No, it's a flathead. It's not a... It is a flathead, right? It is a flathead. He smoked it, too. Hey, buddy. It's like a 16-pounder. All right, let's get him in the net somehow. He's definitely hooked. Oh, we got another rod going down, I think, dude. They're definitely right here. That one's hooked perfect. All right, let me call you back, Robert. So I can... All right. Here we go, guys. Come here, buddy. That's what we're looking for. Flathead catfish. Right there. It's on a tiny bluegill. That one's not a giant one, but it's a good one. So yeah, we're in the right spot. Like I said, we picked the right spot. I got to give thanks for credit where credit's due. My buddy told me to come up here, and he was not lying. Can't always trust everybody, but he's a pretty good flathead fisherman. So there we go. All right, we're gonna let this one go. Try to catch another one. Just kind of camping out right here. All right, let them go, let them grow. Did we get that? Yeah, it's recording. All right, see you, buddy. Flatty in the boat, catch, photo, release. That's what you got to do. So you can catch these fish, man. Hey guys, can you see me here? Without the bugs. It's about to start thunderstorming, so I got to get out of here. But we got 3 flatheads, 2 good ones and a little one. But I missed a few, so they're definitely in this area. I'm going to regroup, go to work tomorrow, and try to get back out here and see if I can pick up where I left off and maybe get Big Mama. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one.